Agriculture is getting a high-tech makeover. Imagine farming without breaking a sweat and crops growing like magic. In this video, we're diving into the top 10 incredible, ingenious agriculture inventions that are reshaping the way we grow our food. From smart irrigation systems to drone crop monitors, get ready to be blown away by the future of farming. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. You won't want to miss these game-changing farming innovations. Alright, let's kick things off with number 10, smart irrigation systems. Imagine no longer needing to rely on your grandma's rain dance to keep your crops thriving. Sorry, Grandma. Smart irrigation systems have revolutionized the way we water our plants by delivering just the right amount of moisture based on real-time data and weather conditions. These high-tech systems use sensors and automated controls to monitor soil moisture levels, ensuring crops receive the optimal amount of water. No more overwatering or underwatering headaches. This not only conserves precious water resources, but also boosts crop yields and reduces costs. Imagine laying back and letting technology handle the watering while you sip on lemonade. Sounds dreamy, right? With smart irrigation, farmers can now maximize efficiency while being kinder to Mother Earth. Now that we've nailed our irrigation game, let's move on to number 9. Autonomous tractors. Get ready to be amazed because these robo-farmers are revolutionizing the fields. Picture this, tractors that drive themselves. Autonomous tractors can plow, plant, and harvest with zero human intervention using advanced GPS and smart algorithms to navigate fields with pinpoint accuracy. These state-of-the-art machines are equipped with sensors and cameras to detect and adapt to changing field conditions, ensuring optimal performance at all times. They drastically cut labor costs and reduce human error, meaning higher efficiency and fewer backbreaking hours for farmers. Furthermore, with their 24/7 work capability, farmers can now relax, knowing their crops are in good, robotic hands. But wait, folks. Just when you thought farming couldn't get any cooler, we're here to introduce number 8, vertical farming towers. Prepare to be amazed as we dive into the skyscrapers of agriculture. Gone are the days when farming needed acres of land. With vertical farming towers, you can grow crops in stacks like farming in a high-rise. These innovative structures utilize hydroponics or aeroponics to cultivate plants without soil, making it possible to produce fresh, nutritious food right in the urban environment. By eliminating the need for large tracts of land, vertical farming towers save valuable space and significantly reduce water and energy consumption compared to traditional farming methods. This efficiency not only supports urban food security, but also minimizes the environmental footprint, making vertical farming a sustainable and forward-thinking solution for the future of agriculture. The agricultural revolution continues with number 7, drone crop monitors. Drones have transformed crop monitoring using high-resolution cameras and sensors to provide real-time data on crop health, soil conditions, and pest activity. Covering large areas quickly, drones help farmers make faster decisions, boosting yields and ensuring healthier crops. They monitor irrigation efficiency, identify nutrient deficiencies, and track crop growth precisely. Drones can also use thermal cameras to detect water stress in plants, optimizing water use. So, next time you see a drone buzzing overhead, remember it's a key player in modern agriculture, helping to feed the world. But wait, the excitement doesn't end with drones. Get ready for number 6, hydroponic systems. See how we elevated farming. Hydroponic systems grow plants without soil, using nutrient-rich water for better control over the environment and plant health. This innovation leads to faster growth, higher yields, and the ability to farm in poor soil areas like urban spaces or even outer space. By adjusting the nutrient solution and environment, farmers ensure optimal plant health. This method also conserves water by recycling the nutrient solution, making it more sustainable than traditional farming. As we dive into the thrilling world of futuristic farming, get ready to discover number 5, soil sensors. These gadgets might not fly, but they show how small devices can revolutionize agriculture. Soil sensors have made farming high-tech beneath our feet. By monitoring moisture, nutrients, and temperature in real time, these devices help farmers optimize irrigation and fertilization. This precision boosts crop yields, conserves water, and reduces chemical use. A win-win for farmers and Mother Earth. We've seen drones take to the skies, gone soilless with hydroponics, and used intelligent soil sensors. But just when you thought farming couldn't get any cooler, let's talk about number 4, robotic harvesters. These game changers can work around the clock, picking fruits and vegetables with precision that would make any farmer envious. They cut labor costs and harvest crops at peak ripeness, ensuring the freshest produce makes it to your table. It's a win for both farmers and foodies. Now, hold on to your tractor seats, because we're about to shine light on the next big innovation in farming. Drum roll for number 3, solar-powered farming equipment. Discover how harnessing the sun's power has turned agriculture into a greener powerhouse. Solar-powered equipment is a game changer, transforming sunlight into renewable energy for tractors, irrigation systems, and drones. This invention has cut energy costs and reduced the carbon footprint for farmers. Plus, it has made remote farming more viable, enabling cultivation in areas previously unsuitable due to lack of traditional power sources. But hey, don't trade in your overalls for a solar panel just yet. We're turning the tech dial up with our next breakthrough. Buckle up, farmers and tech enthusiasts, because it's time to reveal number 2, AI-based crop management tools. AI-based crop management tools are like wizardry in agriculture. These high-tech helpers analyze soil nutrients and weather patterns, giving farmers a 24/7 virtual agronomist. By predicting pest outbreaks and optimizing irrigation schedules, these AI systems ensure maximum yield with minimal fuss. They've made farming a smart, data-driven operation that even Silicon Valley would admire. And now, the highlight of agricultural innovation. Number 1, aquaponic systems. This system combines aquaculture and hydroponics for sustainable crop and fish production. Fish waste provides plant nutrients while plants purify the water returned to the fish tanks. It maximizes resource use, allowing farmers to produce fresh vegetables and fish with minimal environmental impact. It eliminates the need for chemical fertilizers and pesticides as the natural ecosystem stays balanced. It also uses less water than traditional farming because the water is continuously recycled. This innovative approach supports local food production, enhances food security, and promotes a healthier, eco-friendly lifestyle. As we unearth more groundbreaking agricultural advancements, it's clear that the future of farming is nothing short of extraordinary. Stick around to stay updated on the latest innovations transforming the way we produce food. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below.